Here's how to import from AliExpress and let the AI write the whole listing without touching a computer. Paste an AliExpress link straight into Product Finder. Or skip the link entirely and pick from Product Finder's own results. Same button, nothing to paste. The full editor opens on the phone. Product, description, variants, images, video. The supplier's description is a wall of spec fields. Brand name, voltage range, control method. Nobody buys from that. Every AI tool is here. Improve, translate, personalize in your AI settings. Tap Improve and pick the language you want it written in. The AI rewrites it. A real opening paragraph, then the key features pulled from the specs. You see it before it applies? The app says so itself. Review it, then replace. It writes your meta description too, 131 characters, inside Google's limit. Then set your price, $9.19 at cost, 100% markup, rounded up to $18.99. Import, title, images, variants, and price. And it's live, $18.99 against a compare ad of $36.99. With the AI's own words on the page your customer reads. Written, priced, and published from a phone. AI dropshipping from your pocket.